Hi guys, it's Game Dan 25. I have to make a new video. Well, this is a new video for the JBL Flip 4. This is the sound test. I did do one with the 3.5 track or 3.5 track. Now this is just a test of the Bluetooth speaker playing music through the laptop or PC. So yeah, let me show you. Okay, here's the speaker. I'm still switch it on. Um, oof. So I'm gonna connect it up to the PC, so you guys can actually see the color change. And I won't play the song too long because copyright claims is like on the mission to make your videos take longer to post. Yeah, it should be paired up now. There we go. That's it, and it's connected. So I'm gonna play one song. I'm not gonna play it too long, and yeah. So the speakers is all in the front. So I think there's like two speakers, one on the side, one on that side, and two here in front. So I'll show you guys here in front and then move around the JBL Flip 4 Bluetooth speaker. Yeah, so that's how it sounds. It sounds very clear, and it's not too bad. The quality is very good. The clearness is coming more from the front, and the bass what you get from the speakers is more on the sides, so it's clear, and it's the size of I don't know if you guys know, a front loader case. it's the size of that. Or if you want to see the size of a remote, it's the size of that. But yeah, that's the sound of it, and that's connected to the PC playing through VLC. So it can go louder, but I'm not going to play it louder because it's just going to distort the cameras, my phone's mic, so you guys can't hear. So if you like this video, give a like and comment what do you guys think of the sound of it, and if you have one and you've been playing it for years or a few months or so, and what do you guys think about it, because I know you can't play like the actual music what you want to play on YouTube, so you have to play like the ones what you can play on YouTube. So like and subscribe, don't let anyone bring you down, and always try and stay positive, guys.